What's up, guys? Hey! Today's theme, super useful Kawaii Chibi! Yay! Character with cat ear. Chibi in Japanese means tiny, petite, small. I'm gonna show you how to draw step by step. It's actually easy. You're gonna be surprised. So get your pencil, color pencils today, and paper. Let's start. Alright, I want you to draw oval shape and cross line, slightly lean left side. Today's a chibi characters, so I want you to draw her guideline, the circle line, little bit like a round, stretched the side. You see it, right? Then we are going to start drawing her eyebrows and the eyelid. And this time I want to add a color. I want to add color to her eyelid. Sorry, I just kind of focus on a little bit to her eyebrows on this. And it's not going to be too long, not too expressive. Like that. Underneath, we're going to start drawing her actual eyelid. And okay, and I want to just leave this inside of the eyelid just blank, okay? Don't color anything. Nothing, okay? Here, 1, 2, go like this. Now the slightly bottom eyelid, go there, hook. 1, 2, like this. Okay, and let's add just a little bit double eyelid over. Okay, then we are giving her big round eye. Here we go. Like this, and let's add dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think this is good. And then let's just draw same thing other side. Okay, so I'm gonna slightly go left side. Okay, I try not to mess up the sides. Here we go, same thing, hook. Okay, I kind of got excited. Go like there. Hi, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, look, see, it's a little bit smaller compared to this side. Okay, then nice round eye like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're gonna draw inside of our eyes. It's a chibi character. I forgot. Here we go. It's a chibi characters. So let's just, let's have fun. We don't need to add usual shiny circles and black circles inside. I just wanna, you know what? Yeah, let's do like this. A little bit of shape of a nice, beautiful moon or jelly beans. Okay. And a black circle, a little bit longer than normal. And then maybe small shiny bubbles on the top. Classic styles. Usually, shiny bubbles, a big one shows up on the top. But today, we just drew more jelly bean. Shiny bubble on the bottom and a small on the top. Other side too. Okay. Chibi character, I just wanted to have fun with it. Okay, because when characters like excited, even sad, like when characters feeling just go above, right? It's just, I guess, average or just feelings are so big, so fun, so excited. They become chibi character. Okay, so that's why we're gonna draw her eyes really big, and her face is gonna be small, and the mouth is gonna be small. Speaking of mouth, you know what? We're not gonna even draw nose. Okay, let's just draw her. Look, the kawaii mouth like this. And today I wanna give a cat ears. So little tiny fan. Kawaii. Alright. Then, hey, if you like this lesson, why don't you check out my online school, Learn Manga with Misako, where I teach live kawaii manga lessons weekly. You have access to a private online community where you can post your drawing and I give you direct feedback. Also, I share behind the scenes on my bookmaking. all the details in the description below. Check it out. Then we are going to start adding eye colors. So I'm gonna use, like, what is this? It's a little sort of like a reddish purple and a lavender. Okay, so from here, start with reddish color, a little darker color, let's say. Okay, then mixing with sweet lavender. So yes, she's a fun, she's an energetic character, but we can add a little bit of mysterious kind of spice to it. And from, okay, I'm gonna sort of hold it like this. Now I'm adding eye color, not instead of shiny bubbles, okay? So a little bit of dark, press, then I'm switching to this sweet lavender. And then once you reach the bottom, this side, let's just relax your wrist so you're not gonna press too much. Wow, I think this is so cute. If you want to add in more colors, yes, go for it, okay? Oh yeah, I gotta do other side. Like this. Here we go. Lavender. Maybe if you have some yellow, let's say gold, that might be a nice touch here. Yeah. If you have, yes, add it more. You know what? Here, from this side. Okay, here we go. When I teach, my lessons, my manga students from Learn Manga with Misako, they request, they usually request a lot of colors for her hair color, eye color, and I wanna just take every request. So our character tend to have at least 3 hair colors or 3 eye colors, which is exciting and fun though. Yeah. All right, now important part. It's going to be her face line. Okay. So start with like this. It's kind of regular style, right? But then she's not gonna have a chin like a regular manga style because it's a chibi character. So I'm gonna slightly tilt it like this. Let's give a little cheek. Okay. And I go like this. Look how short her face is. Okay. Go like that. Kawaii. And a few cheek lines if you want to add it, that would be nice. And let's start drawing her hair. So today I want to just show her forehead a little bit. So I feel like short hairs coming out from the middle like this. Other side too. Then go like this. Yes, we add eye colors to her eyelid and eye. But we just gonna, yes, just draw her hair, just overlapping. That's totally fine. Go like this. Just, it's so dramatic and cute, right? And then more. Here like that. And then maybe short hair. And this side too. Go like this. Here. Here. All right. And I'm thinking her cat ears, or if you want to draw fox ear or wolf ears, it's gonna be around here, don't you think? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of hair like this. Go like that, triangle. And if you can, add little tiny hairs like this. If you add it like that, I think it makes this ear just a super, I don't know, fluffy and a much more realistic. So try it, okay? This. And this side, well, this bang's sort of sticking up, so I'm not gonna draw these tiny hairs in there. I'm gonna just start drawing her cat ear. Whoa, this side got a little bit rough, sorry about that. Go like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, then a little bit of short hair. And now we're gonna give a nice round head shape. So I'm thinking her top of her, I guess, head shape. The head, it's gonna be around here. Let's just give a little dot as a guide. And we are going to start adding her hair. Go like this, here, more like that. and then go here. Let's just draw her hair just like curl outside. Kind of energetic and cute, don't you think? And more. And if you want to add more, yes, go for it. Just be flexible. If you think you drew her head shape too small, just add it more. If you think you drew her head shape too small, too big, erase it, okay? Erase that part and then make it a bit small. I'm using markers, brush pen already, so I can't fix. But so far, so good. Ooh, I like adding a little bit of short hair coming up. That's such a classic Chibi character. Okay, go here. Go like this. More. Oh, right. Ta-ta-ta. Oh my god, I think this is insanely cute though, don't you think? And in a way, kind of only just the eye color, just the eyes have a color. That's kind of good. Just stand out more. So that's nice. Okay, I should erase. I'm gonna clean up pencil lines, okay? So it means I'm gonna erase all the guidelines. I want to do it, and then we're gonna finish up. There you go. Clean. Here we go. Almost done. Okay, so I'm gonna try to clean up here as much as possible. Maybe some of you might want to add whiskers. Why not? I'm gonna add whiskers. If you don't want to, you don't need to. I think this is it, right? But why not? Just a little extra. Just here. Oh, I think it's so cute. Alright, so now I'm gonna draw Chibi in Japanese, Chibi character, Chibi, and my signature, okay? If you wanna draw write Chibi in Japanese with me, just follow me. So I'm gonna try to draw in a bubble letter. So go like this. Here. This character is called katakana. Alrighty, here we go. This means chi. Okay, next is bi. Wait. Here we go. Wait, chibi. Chibi, it means petite, small in Japanese. And I'm gonna add my signature. Ta-da! Yay! You did it! Alright, so today's key, this nice big eyes and this round face line, no chin, and obviously this fluffy, this hair. That's the key for Chibi characters. Don't forget to like and subscribe Misako Rocks channel. If you have any comments or requests or questions, don't forget to leave your comments right here. I love to hear what you think. And check out my graphic novel, Bounce Back. I can't wait to hear what you think of Ririko and Nico's cute story. Yay! Arigato! Bye bye!